Hi everyone! So I have a Temu haul to share with you guys. This one is a Sonny Boy Temu haul. So for his birthday, I always do a birthday month instead of a birthday. And I had ordered this stuff hoping it would come, and it took a little bit longer than expected. So I'm going to be able to give it to him on December 31st so he could go ahead and have his last little birthday gift. So I got him this little tissue container. It has a hole right here for his little Kleenex. So this was $3.98. I just thought that was so super cute, and I know he's going to love it. Then there was this little notepad. Like, how cute is this? I wish I would have got one for myself. This was $2.96. I just think it's so cute. You can like color it in and then put like little note here, little note over here. So I love that. I might go and get myself one of those for $4.04. This is a non-pig item, but it is from the Disney show Gravity Falls. So this is, I think his name's Bill. And then that's what it looks like on the inside. So I got him that one for $5.98. This is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. It looked really big in the picture, but it's a little jade pig. Not sure if you can see the little detail in there. But of course, you know, Sonny Boy's favorite animal is pigs. He always collects pigs. So basically everything in this little haul is going to be pig related, with a couple of little items scattered here and there. So then I got him this little stone pig. I don't remember what the name of this little crystal is. It's like a very light pink. So I thought he would enjoy that one. So I got him that little pig. Then for $2.78, I got him this little die right here. He likes having these. So I thought this one was funny because it has like food. So you can roll it to see what you want for like dinner. So I got him this one. I thought there was a pizza on here. Uh-oh. I need to go back and look at this, but I swear I got one that had pizza, and I don't see pizza. So it's barbecue, Chinese, steak, Italian, fast food, and then sushi. So, oh, and actually it's a little damaged right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's like missing some of the stuff in there. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at this, but I don't think that is correct, and it definitely is damaged, so I'm gonna have to look into that one. The good thing about Temu, it's very easy to get like a refund or let them know that something's damaged, so I'm gonna have to go do that because it's definitely damaged. But I don't even think this is the one that I bought. I think the one I bought had pizza, because I would have definitely got one with pizza. And then for $3.19, I got this little Santa Claus piggy. He's super cute. He's bigger than what I thought he was going to be. He's got a little bit of weight to him. And then for $1.97, I got him these 2 spoons that are supposed to be pig related. So this one says, "Let's pig out," with a little pig embossed. And then "Getting piggy with it." And that's what that looks like. And then these are like long spoons. So they are definitely longer than my hand. So that's really cute. I'm sure that he will end up using these for like his coffee, or maybe he'll save them on, like, he has like a little shelf of little piggy stuff, so maybe he'll end up saving it. I don't know. And then let's see, for 98 cents, I thought this was really cute. So it says, "Expect miracles," with the little flying pig. So Sonny Boy's middle name is Angel. So anytime I find little pigs with wings, I always get it for him, like no matter what, because it's just like so him. And then for $1.59, I found these, and they're really cute. They're like a matte little pig, little plastic. They're super cute. So we got one laying down, one sitting down. He's kind of like waving right here. And then we got another one laying down with like his little arms and legs spread out. Then we got this one with like his little hand towards his mouth. Let's see, there's this little guy with both his hands towards his mouth. And then there's just this guy sitting there. So those are super cute. for $3.14. There's this little guy. So I thought he was made out of wood, and no, he's like a resin that looks like wood. So Sonny will still like him. He's still cute. So he's got that little pig. This one is heavy. So for $3.84, this dude has some weight to him. And I love it. He's like not your typical like little cute pig. Like look at his big old like floppy ears. And then just like his little expression. Like he is not a happy dude. I really like him. I love the detail on him. I can't believe how much he weighs. Like these basically cost the same. And this feels like a cloud of like cotton ball. Like no weight to it. And then this guy is like heavy. Like yeah. He's got some weight to him. And then let's see, for $3.11. Oh, I love this one. I kind of want to keep him for myself. So he's huge. He is this large glass pig, and then he's in black. So his little feetsies, his little tail, his ears, his little snout are all in black. I really love this guy. I definitely want to keep him for myself, but I'll give him to Sonny, and then I'm just gonna have to go and order myself one because he is just so cute. For 98 cents, this is a 30 piece, and these are actually like nail art, it said, but there is a whole variety of little piggies. So if you're ever looking for something like in a smaller form, type it in. So like I was looking for like heart, and then I do nail art, so that I could get like little things like this for Valentine's Day, or like lip nail art, and then you find all these little tiny little resin pieces. So there is different sizes in there. They're so stinking cute. I love these. I still need to make him a pig junk journal, so I'm gonna give them to him, give him these, but tell him that I'm gonna need, you know, a couple when it comes time to that. So then that way I could go ahead and glue them down for him to his journal. So for $4.04, I got him another little crystal. So he collects like rocks and gems and like all that stuff. So this is another little piggy. And then I think this is amethyst. I don't know the names. He does, like, we'll be walking by a store and he'll like, oh, look, you know, whatever rock it is. So I think he's going to really like this. And I hope that they're real, like, you know, real crystal. Like I hope that's like real jade, and like this is a real, what is this one? I don't remember that pink one, but yeah, I hope they're real. He'll know as soon as I show it to him. He'll tell me if it's real or not. So hopefully I did good. And then for $1.97, this is a little dragon like pendant medallion thing. And then it comes on this like beaded chain. So he loves the Chinese New Year and like all the zodiac signs and all of that. He's really into like astrology and mythology and all that other goodness. So I got him that one. And then this year is the year of the dragon. So I think he'll really like that one. And then for $1.79, it was just a fish, and it reminded me of Finding Nemo. So, you know, like the little fish, and he has like this part like lights up. So when I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's funny. It totally reminds me of that movie. So I had to get that one. I hope he likes it and thinks it's funny. Uh-oh. There's like a little rock from somewhere. I don't know which package that came out of. I hope nothing's broken. I'll have to check. For $1.34, I got this little pig who is like laying down. And then here's his little face, and he's laying on like a coin. And there's a little loop up here. So I don't know if you're supposed to like hang it and wear it, or, you know, what you're supposed to do with it. But I just thought that was cute. I was just, you know, on Temu looking for pig stuff. And whatever I found that was cute, I just added to cart. And then, let's see, this one was $1.48. So I love bells and jingle bells. So I definitely had to get this one. And then look, it's like his little piggy face. Isn't that cute? I just thought that was really cute. So I love that one. Okay, and our last little item here was $1.95. And again, like I said, Sonny Boy loves, you know, Chinese Zodiac New Year stuff. So this is, it was supposed to be a little dragon with a pig. So I thought that was really funny and really cute, and I think he'll really enjoy that. So it's a little keychain. You know, he doesn't really carry keys, but he'll hang it up somewhere and, you know, think that it's really cute. So that's my little Temu pig haul for Sonny Boy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm not sure if you guys would be interested in any of this stuff, but if you are, let me know, and I'll go ahead and I'll provide links for you guys. You know, with my craft hauls from Temu, I usually add links, but this is kind of just more like a random little haul that I did, you know, specifically for Sonny. So if you guys are interested, let me know, and I'll be happy to, you know, share links for any of this stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.